Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring the versatile storage bins with lids, a perfect solution for organizing your home or office. These 78 quart plastic bins come in a set of 5 and are designed to be both stackable and movable, thanks to their built-in wheels and unique top panel grooves that securely hold each bin in place. With a modern, solid square design, these bins are not only stylish but also incredibly functional, offering 2 convenient ways to access your items through a top lid or a secure front door with lock buckles. Whether you need closet organizers, kitchen food storage, or even a trunk car organizer, these multifunctional bins have you covered. Made from high-quality PP material, each bin can withstand heavy loads up to 110 pounds, ensuring durability and longevity. When not in use, simply fold them up to save space, making them an ideal temporary storage solution during home renovations. Don't miss out on transforming your space with these practical and durable storage bins, perfect for any room or occasion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.